Perimeter of rectangle is given by formula 2 into length plus breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Square perimeter is 4 into A and its area is A into A. If you have to calculate the area of square in terms of diagonal, so it is half into diagonal. And if the triangle is right angle triangle, then how to calculate its area is half base into height. So you can write these two formulas. Area of square if diagonals is given, so it can be calculated as half diagonal into diagonal, and if the triangle is right angle triangle, you know, half base into height. And if it is isosceles triangle, so that much difficult will not come, so please leave it up, not required for you in NCERT. So if I talk about equilateral triangle, that is generally coming, so please write it down about equilateral triangle. Its perimeter is 3a because all sides are equal, and if I assume that side is a, then perimeter will be 3a. Its altitude is given by the value root 3 by 2 into side. And area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4a square. So if it is written for equilateral triangle, we can do for parallelogram. So can we move to the parallelogram? These are the formulas. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
So parallelogram, as you can see, it is having length and breadth, and this is the perpendicular distance. P1 is the perpendicular distance between these two opposite sides. So I can find the area of parallelogram as base, whatever is the base. So see, base here is length, and whatever is height I have shown here at P1. So area of parallelogram is given by L into P1, or you can say base into height. And perimeter is like same as rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. So if I talk about rhombus, then rhombus area can be calculated with the help of this formula, that is half, where D1 is diagonal 1 and D2 is diagonal 2. So if you take the product of diagonal 1 and 2 and divide it by 2, then you will be getting area of rhombus. just write it down. Then we will move to Heron's formula that you already know. So we can proceed for the practice question if it is done.
Ma'am, written.
Okay.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Okay, so we will be doing all the questions, whatever is important, one by one. So let's start. This is exemplar book. If you want, I can share the PDF. So it's better, don't write the question, just write the exercise number and question number 1, then write the solution. Okay, so question number 1. Find the cost of laying grass in a triangular field of this dimension at the rate of 7 rupees per meter square. So I am being given a triangular field and I have to lay the grass in it. So I have to calculate the cost of laying grass. I am given the cost of 1 meter square is 7 rupees. So what is the way of doing this question? Anyone who has understood it, please raise your hand. How to do question number 1?
Ma'am, we have to find the area of the field.
Area of the field that we will be finding. So how we will be finding it up, Nihal?
Ma'am, using Heron's formula.
Correct. So we will be finding the area of the triangular field with the help of Heron's formula. After that,
Ma'am, then we have to multiply the area with the cost of laying grass per meter square.
excellent. So for calculating the cost of laying grass in triangular field, we will calculate area. Then we will multiply whatever area we will get, we will multiply it by 7 to know the cost of laying grass. So do it now. So first of all, you have to find the semi perimeter for applying Heron's formula. So let me do it on the whiteboard. 50, 65, 65. 65 plus 65, 130, 180 by 2. So area of grass field is given by S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it is given by 90, 90 minus 50, 90 minus 65, 90 minus 65. So now write down 90 into 40 into 25 into 25. So these are coming in pair. So I can just remove them out, 1 out of this 2. So 90, I can break it like 3 into 3 into 10. And 40, and I can break it like 2 into 2 into 10. So just to get the pairs. So 25 into 3 into 2 into 10. 25 threes are 75, 75 twos are 150. So it is 1500. 1500 centimeter square is the area of grass field. Please write it down. So is it done? Can we move to the cost?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So cost is equal to 7 into 1500. So cost of laying grass on field is come out to be rupees 10,500 rupees. So before that you can write cost of laying grass for 1 meter square is rupees 7. Therefore, cost of laying grass on the field is 7 into 1500. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can do the next question also. Question number 4. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is given and ratio of equal sides to base is 3:2. You have to find the area of the triangle. So question is little bit tricky, not much. So ratio of equal side to base is 3:2. Ratio of equal side to base is 3:2 and perimeter is given 32 centimeter. So what I will write, let common ratio be x. Then equal sides will be 3x. There will be two equal sides in isosceles triangle and the base will be 2x. So do you understand this step? Because see, equal sides to base is 3:2. So I know the equal side will be 3x because I have taken common ratio as x. So equal side I am writing it 2 times 3x, and base is 2x. So if you solve it further, 6 plus 2, 8x is equal to 32. Then x is equal to 32 upon 8. 8 fours are 32. So now I can write the equal sides. Equal sides is equal to 3x. 3 into 4, 12 centimeter, and base is 2x, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, now I can find area. So please find the area. So there is 2, 4. So 1, 4 will come out. So I can write 16 as 4 into 4 and 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. So out of this 1, 4 will again come out, and 1, 2 will come out, 1, 2 will remain inside. So 4 fours are 16, 16 twos are 32, root 2 centimeter square should be the final answer.
Ma'am, can you show the previous page?
Ma'am, written.
This is question number 4 of exemplar.
Ma'am, the next question. Ma'am.
Should I?
Ma'am, the next page. Next page. Ma'am, can you show the next page?
So because all of your exams are coming near, so I'm giving you homework. Please write it down fast, then I will be giving you homework for revision purpose. And I don't want you to avoid that homework. Please keep half an hour aside, 1 hour aside, whatever is comfortable to you, and practice maths daily. Is it written, Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I want from you people as homework is you can take the picture or you can take the screenshot, whatever is comfortable. I am just tick marking them up. That question you have to solve and put it on the group. This is true, false. Meaning you have to solve it and then check it up. Is it true or is it false? So only 5 questions I have chosen. Question number 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So make sure you do it before our Friday class. So only 5 questions as homework. So please take the screenshot if you do not have PDF.
Ma'am, taken.
Okay, okay. So let's meet for mathematics on Friday and we will be meeting tomorrow for science.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, बच्चों, ending the class for today.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, बच्चों.